Creating a Looker Studio report allows you to visualize and analyze data interactively. Here's how to create a report in a few simple steps. Set up the report. Go to Looker Studio. Visit Looker Studio and log in with your Google account. Create a new report. Click on Create in the top left corner, then choose Report. Connect data. Add data source. In the pop-up window, click Add Data, then choose from various data sources. Authorize access. Grant Looker Studio permission to access your data if needed. Select data. Choose the specific dataset or metrics you want to visualize in your report and click Add. Build the report. Add visualizations. From the toolbar, click Add a chart to select visualizations such as time series, bar charts, pie charts, tables, and more. Customize metrics and dimensions. In the right-hand panel, modify the data fields that appear in each chart. Add filters. You can include interactive filters or date range selectors to let users manipulate the data. Customize and share. Design layout. Arrange your charts, add text boxes, and apply colors to match your branding or preferences. Share or download. Click Share to invite others to view or edit, or export the report as a PDF.